Hi my loves, welcome back to She Is My Rose. Today we're going to create heart eyes for Valentine's Day theme. You know, Valentine's Day is around the corner. Personally, it's not my favorite holiday. I think the whole thing is BS. I feel like you should express love every day. I have my partner, we're going on a staycation in New York. Not much to do during this pandemic, so I'm just creating this theme, getting into the fun of things because I got a new package, and you guys know it's been a while since I haven't had lashes and I've been a little sad, but Grant Your Lash, Hook Your Sister Up, is a small business. Support black owned businesses every day, but of course it's Black History Month, so if you needed a reminder, this is it, sis. Anyway, so Grant Your Lash gave me these goodies. I'm excited. She gave me even down to the face mask, so I'm gonna just do a little unboxing before I get into the heart eye tutorial. Okay, we got tweezers here, the lash applicator, you need this in your life. Ooh, we even got the snip snip snip. My eyebrows and everything's gonna be on fleek. Thank you, Grant Your Lash. Even has this and everything. Look how cool this packaging is. Like, what? Love how different this is. I'm going to use the style WINX. Oof. And it's dramatic. I even could put my goodies away in this bag. I even love her little logo with the glasses and the lashes on top of that. How cute is that? Okay, before I paint my face full of makeup, I'm focusing on the brows. I'm plucking them, I'm brushing them, and I'm cutting them. Once the brows is fierce, then we're getting into it. I already applied my foundation and contour off camera, so I am going to the next step, which is concealing my eyelids with True Complexion HD Corrector Black Radiance. Now that my eyes are nicely primed, I'm grabbing my Violet Voss palette. It's the rainbow one and it's truly pigmented. I'm obsessed with the shade Flamingo. It's a very fun and bright pink. Now let's kick it up a notch. I'm using the Zulu by Juvia's palette, and I'm using more of a punch pink to do underneath the first line, and then I'm going for a lighter pink right on top. Now we're going for like a wine red. I actually got this palette from a Halloween store. I was Chucky's bride for Halloween, and I just love this matte finish on this burgundy, so I use it literally all the time now. I'm grabbing the concealer again because I went a little over with the wine eyeshadow, and I'm going to add a light beige on top of that, so I don't want them to mix together. Before applying the beige eyeshadow, I didn't want the look to be so muddy. That's why I went line by line. But to finish the edges, I'm grabbing the Flamingo pink again on the Violet Voss palette, and I'm just blending everything together. Now I'm buffing everything out and cleaning my eyelashes and grabbing my Becca palette for the beige eyeshadow. Everyone draws their hearts on their face very differently, but I'm taking the easy way out. I'm using my go-to LA Girl pastel eyeliners in white and pink. some sparkle to this look. I'm using Lime Crime Diamond Crusher. The shade is Unicorn Queen, and I definitely need to get different shades because I'm obsessed with this. With the pink pastel liner again, I'm just going underneath the eyes. The next step is optional. It's completely up to you. If you want just more than 2 little hearts on your eyes, you could transform your whole cheeks into a heart galaxy. Adding more sparkles, we're grabbing the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers again and just going right around the hearts. Now that the hearts are drawn on the cheeks, we are going to grab Bella. Bella is from Juvia's palette. It is a blush, more of a reddish tone, to upscale this look from just, you know, your traditional heart eyes. If you want a true like Lovesick look, this bright reds for this is perfect. Before applying the lashes I received from Grant Your Lash, I'm lining the eyes with Sephora's liquid black eyeliner. Ooh girl, that is sharp. Yes, these lashes are everything, so check the description box below for a discount. And that's a wrap. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye chica. Mwah.